Hey everybody, Roland Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. First of all, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the notification bell to be notified of uploads of my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, hey, give it a thumbs up. But I want to talk to you about one of the mods that I've done to my Loring pack and the reason why I done it. So, stick around. Now, I have no qualms with the Loring pack. I've had this pack for 7 years on the trap line. Through the rain, the snow, the mud, the muck, and the mire. And all without fail, without issue. Not a buckle, not a strap, not a piece of webbing, not a rivet out of place. And I stand by what I say when I said this is an investment, the last pack you'll ever buy. Whether you fish, ice fish, gather, hunt, this is the pack to own. Now, I'm going to show you the reason for the mod and the mod itself. Now, if you watched any of my videos, Trapping 101 on the Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance channel, there's a lot of places I have to hike to. I can't get an ATV to or UTV, four-wheel drive. I have to go on foot. Yes, in the pouring rain and snow, on foot. Now, you see that little hole right there where the drawstring is? That's a simple fix. Bunch it up and tie it off. That's all you got to do. Simple fix. But if you don't, in the pouring rain and in the snow, everything goes down that little hole right there. And beyond that little hole is bait, dirt, my gear, everything to repair, reset, and set traps on the hike line. Go light, go hard. Now, here is the mod. I took a 55-gallon drum, 55-gallon drum, and I heated it, and I flattened it out. I wanted to leave a little bit of an arch on it, but I made a lid. By no means a thing of beauty, but most certainly functional. Now, I could have been a little bit more professional about it. Maybe. I took some rivets and webbing. I got plenty of webbing and made my little hinges. But I attached it with trap wire. There's no rubbing, no interference, no hindrance whatsoever here. Now, serves two purposes. Not only does it allow me to keep my gear super dry on the hike line, in the rain, yes, and in the snow, but it also gives me an awesome mobile workstation to prep traps for bedding, to repair traps out in the field. You see, I had a partial knee replacement and a total foot reconstruction. And I have to modify some things, even myself, to be out there. And this is one of the A+ mods for me, because I can work right off the top of this pack and not be down in the mud. I've already set traps on it. The integrity of this lid is top shelf. Top shelf. Like I said, I could have used some webbing, some buckles. But I'm looking for functionality. Beauty is not what I'm after. And by no means is it beautiful. Scarred up a little bit. And painted on a little bit of orange and brown camouflage. But that's the mod. The lid is the mod. Stay with me. Now, nevertheless, that mod is not a thing of beauty. It's not by no means professional mod. But I'm not looking for beauty or professionalism. I'm looking for functionality. And the lid on the lowering pack will serve me well as a workstation, as a means to keep my gear dry on the hike line, in the pouring rain, in snow accumulation. That was the purpose for the mod. And maybe it'll give you some ideas for your pack, your hiking pack. But my advice to you is to invest in a lowering pack either way. Be the last pack you'll ever own. I'm telling you, 7 years going strong. But I appreciate you for watching. Appreciate everything that you do for me and my family. And for the Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance channel. Look at that. Yeah. Always go farther, stay longer. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you out there somewhere. Thanks for watching.